Alright, so I know what some of you are all thinking, or probably thinking at least, is that, yeah, I should have probably beveled this whole piece if I was going to weld it. Well, that wasn't the original intention. I was going to stitch weld it. But as you can see here, I got some gaps. Well, I'm going to just weld it instead then. Now, why I'm not too concerned about it not being a bevel, it's beveled in some areas, and I'm taking this weld from start to finish across here, so I'm not entirely concerned about it cracking too bad. Now, if I was stitch welding without no bevel, I'd definitely be a lot more concerned with cracking.